Hi, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we are making easy oven baked salmon. Coming up. To begin, we need 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. That's about 1 full lemon. Now add in half a cup of melted butter, 8 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped dill. We give that a whisk. Dill, garlic, and lemon are a perfect combination for salmon, so you really can't go wrong with this. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then, on a large baking tray, line it with aluminum foil. Place your salmon on the aluminum foil. Season both sides with a pinch of kosher salt and black pepper to taste. Now, pour it all over the salmon. Fold the aluminum foil in. Place another piece of aluminum foil over, make sure that it's completely covered. Bake at 375 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the internal temperature is 145 degrees. And if everything goes according to plan, your salmon would look like this. And there you guys have it. Flaky, moist, and delicious, easy to make oven baked salmon. Enjoy! Buen provecho! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thanks for watching!